I'm going to do some Spanish moss on the top of this and put the little bird sitting in it, and then I'm going to do this one, and I have a little nest that actually fits pretty good, but I do want some Spanish moss coming out and about, and maybe one of these small birds in that. So we're going to do those right quick. I'll use some of this green and some of the brown. Use some of both of these colors. And I have some styrofoam that I'm just going to put down on the bottom of this so that I don't have to fill it up quite so much. Then I'd like to glue some of both. I want to do some of this. This little bluebird was $1 from Dollar General. And so I've seen a lot of crafters work with these, and I thought, well, if I ever see any of those, I'm going to grab some. So I got me 2 or 3 the other day. And I just thought that he was the perfect size. Just trying to get the brown and the green mixed in there so it's all, you see the brown and the green all the way around. I like how it's hanging out in the front there, but here in the back it needs a little stuff hanging down up. Okay, I'm liking that, but I think it needs something. I've got these little flowers. These came from Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 and either 40% off or 50% off. I can't remember. I wonder about like a little flower in there. Maybe. I actually kind of like that. And I think it definitely needs some twine to go around the edge there and make a nice little bow or something. Just something simple that would be nice to put, I think, on like on a tiered shelf or on any shelf. I think it would work well. And then I want to do the same similar something with this. Is if you take your heat gun and just kind of go over those hot glue spider webs, it melts the glue right onto wherever it is, and you don't have the little webs stick out all over the place, which is nice. It perches up there on top there, but this one just seems way too small. Cute little baby flowers that might be pretty in there in a couple of spots. Oh, that's kind of cute. I like that. Alright, let's see if we can put this cute little twig here. More in this little thing. Yeah, got some little sticks here and there. So I've got just regular twine, and I've got some of this hemp cord for jewelry, I believe is what it's for. And I thought both of those might look good on this. And I'm just going to do just a real simple little bow, just around 2 fingers, just to make it small, like that. Then I'm going to cut me a piece and tie it together. Just squished it there in the middle. I just went around my finger several times and just kind of squished it there in the middle. And as I pull it tight, I just make sure it's still in the middle. And then there's my little bow. Just like that. And then this one, I think, could use the white and the jute. And I'll just pull it in the front here. I've got enough string here. I'll pull it in front and tie it into a pretty little bow, and then I'll make another bow on top of it. What we think it might need. Let's try one of these buttons out and see if you like that. These were the ones from Hobby Lobby that if it's below a certain amount, they're all 99 cents. And I think this is one of those. It's $2.29, and I think it ends up being 99 cents on sale just about all the time, I think. Okay. There's the second one. This one could use a little something. Might be able to get it to go down a little bit. Let's see if I can make a little bitty bow just with maybe 2 times around my fingers there.